Success with money isn't about luck or some magical formula. It's about habits, the daily disciplines that compound over time to create wealth. I'm here to guide you through 5 simple yet incredibly powerful financial habits that wealthy people consistently follow. These aren't secrets, but they are often overlooked. If you apply these habits diligently, your future self will undoubtedly thank you for the financial freedom you've created. First, track every rupee you spend, every single one. Sounds basic? That's precisely the point. The most effective strategies are often the simplest. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes, down to the last paisa. They don't guess, they track. Use an app, a spreadsheet, anything that works for you and that you'll actually stick with. Awareness is the first and arguably most important step to control. You can't manage what you don't measure. Second, invest early and consistently, no matter how small the amount. Even small amounts, when invested wisely, grow big over time thanks to the power of compounding. It's not about timing the market, trying to predict the ups and downs. It's time the market that truly matters. Consistent participation is key. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. It's the 8th wonder of the world, as they say, and you'll see your money multiply almost effortlessly, growing exponentially over the years. Third, never rely on one single income stream. This is crucial for financial stability. The rich always diversify their income sources, creating multiple streams of revenue. Think side gigs, freelancing, digital products, even investing in stocks or real estate. There are so many ways to earn in today's world, you just need to explore them. It's not about working harder and longer hours. It's about working smart and leveraging your skills and resources effectively. Multiple streams mean more security, more opportunities, and ultimately, more financial freedom. Fourth, financial literacy is your secret weapon in the world of money. The more you learn about finance, investing, and money management, the more you'll earn. Read books, watch tutorials, and follow real, credible experts in the field. Not just the flashy influencers who talk big, but show little actual knowledge or results. Every bit you learn about finance compounds over time, just like your investments, leading to greater understanding and better decisions. Fifth, delay pleasure and instant gratification to build your future wealth. Wealthy people don't chase fleeting trends or buy things to impress others. They buy assets that appreciate in value, not liabilities that drain their wealth. That new phone or fancy gadget can wait a little longer. Your future home or other investments can't. Focus on the bigger picture, the long-term financial security, and you'll thank yourself immensely later. Start small with these habits, but stay consistent with them. Financial freedom isn't built overnight with a single lucky break. It's built daily, through consistent and disciplined financial habits. You've got this. Take control of your finances, one habit at a time. If this helped you understand the basics, imagine what a few more advanced habits could do for your wealth. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for weekly insights and actionable financial advice. Also, drop a comment below. What's one financial habit you're actively working on right now to improve your financial future? Share it with the community. Until next time, invest smart and live free.